Hello.
Hello. For nearly 2 years now,
I'm
lucky. So recently, my game.
Hello everyone and welcome to a very special devlog. It's special because I am officially releasing my game called Sundermead onto Steam for you all to play on the 3rd of October. Now if you're a member of my Discord then you probably already knew this, but if not then welcome. In case you're unaware of what Sundermead is then allow me to explain. Sundermead is an open world procedurally generated RPG in which you are tasked to build a community on the aforementioned procedurally generated island. As of release, there will be 8 characters that you can invite, each with their own behaviours, quest lines and personalities. You can also trade with these NPCs too, and form relationships which then of course allow you to trade even more items with them. The initial idea for Sundermead came to me 2.5 years ago when I was playing Stardew Valley with my girlfriend. I love Stardew Valley, but I always thought it felt a bit restrictive because of its sort of smallish map and its 2.5D design. So I wondered what a Stardew Valley cross Minecraft sort of game could be like, where you have those in-depth characters and the deep quest thing, but in a more open setting with more open-ended gameplay and of course procedural generation. So Sundermead is actually going to be releasing into early access, but don't worry, it's not going to be like those asset flip early access games that you find all the time. Sundermead is in fact feature complete. The only reason I'm putting it into early access is because I want to be able to add more characters over time, but I want the community that I build around Sundermead to have input into the community that you can build in Sundermead, which I personally think is a great idea on, getting the community involved in the game development and letting people have their sort of own mark on the game. So the features of Sundermead are, for one, of course, the procedurally generated island, a full farming system with over 30 crops, terrain landscaping, a day-night cycle, enemies with combat, mining and boss fights, and most importantly, cooperative multiplayer so you can play with up to 4 friends. So I think that's enough of my rambling, so I'll just show you some gameplay now.
Alright, I thought I'd just show you what to expect from the first sort of few minutes of gameplay from Sundermead. So let's create a new save, and I'm just going to name it YouTube or something. You can give the save a seed, and this will determine how the world is generated. You can also set the difficulty here. So let's click play, and it will create the world for us. It doesn't take very long, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to skip it. Cool, so here we are in the character creator. So I'm just going to name my character after myself. You can set male or female, change the eye shape. There's a few things to choose from. Give him a beard if you wanted, and give him that. You can give him hair as well. There's a few styles to choose from. You can also set the skin, hair and eye color, each being a hue, saturation and value slider. And there's also a randomizer button if you wanted to do that, but I'm going to leave it as this. Click save and it's going to take me into a cutscene. I'm just going to skip that though. Cool, so you probably just heard that sound, and that is the noise to notify you that there's been an update to the journal. So if I press J, you can see we have our journal here. So the first quest is getting acquainted. Plant your raspberry seeds. Teach a man to fish. Catch 5 fish of the same type. Enter the mines. So around the world will be these towers scattered, and through them you enter the mines. And invite your first villager to Sundermead. So let's talk about the ledger. This is an item, and it's the one that you use to invite the villagers. So it behaves similar to a skill tree. The first character you invite is the trader, who invites the shipwright, who unlocks the blacksmith, and the blacksmith unlocks the beekeeper and the seeress, and so on and so forth. Cool, so let's complete our first quest. So the plant your raspberry seeds. So we need to till the ground. I think this is a good place. And we have 15 seeds, just to get us on our way. Cool, we planted our seeds and now we need to water them. So our watering can isn't unlimited, the amount of water will go down. So once I've finished this, I will show you how to fill it up. So you can see the progress bar went down on the watering can item. So just fill up, go up to some water, and right click, and it's full back up. Well, that's convenient. There's a tower right there. So we might as well go sort that out. Actually, before that, I'm going to start work building a little house. So you can see that I got a sapling here. These are important to place down because trees are incredibly important in this game. So building in Sundermead is nice and easy. The building parts are these little modules that just kind of snap together like this. And apparently I can't count. Okay, so the sun is setting, and I thought I'd just show you how it looks like, because I'm quite proud of this, to be honest. And there you go. The sun is set. And the stars all come out. So I think I'm going to head off to bed and skip to the next day. Okay, so I think it's about time we head over to that tower. Alright, so here we are at the tower. Let's see if we got lucky enough for some loot. Yes, we did. So occasionally these chests will spawn in these towers and they'll give you some nice loot. So some potato seeds, gooseberry seeds, carrot seeds, and 4 cups of wine. It's not too bad, is it? Okay, let's head down into the mines. This is where we meet our first character. I'm just going to skip through the cutscene. And here he is. His name is Draupnir, and he gives you some quests. He trades, and he can send you down to the mines. So I've actually come down here to trade with him because I need some fibers. I'm going to sell some wood, and hopefully it'll give me enough. 24. Let's buy some. What have I got? 7. I need to go get some more stuff. Okay. Actually, what I'll do is I'll head down into the mines, get some stones and sell those to him. Let's go. So the first few levels of the mines are actually lit, but as you go deeper and deeper, you need to make sure to take torches with you. Okay, so I've got some more stones and I will just sell them to him. And buy some more fibers, and this gives me enough for what I need. So let's head back up to the top and create our roof pieces. I need to get some more wood. Okay, so I've got my roof pieces. I'll just plop them down. And I reckon our house is coming along quite nicely, but I think I'll leave the demo here because there's plenty for you to explore, and I don't want to give too much away.
Yeah, so that's Sundermead. Like I said, it's coming to Steam for you all to play on the 3rd of October. I'll be releasing it for £15, but there'll be a 15% discount on release, so that'll be about £12.70-ish. I don't know what that is in other currencies, I'll just put them all over the screen now. And if you like the look of Sundermead, then please go and play it. You know, I'd love to know what you think of my little project. I'm always looking to improve my projects and my skills, so any feedback, whether good or bad, is invaluable to me. The 2 best places to leave feedback would be my Discord server, which the link to that will be in the description. In fact, all the links will be in the description. Or leave a review on Steam, and I'll try and get back to you and improve the game. Anyway, thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you soon on the island of Sundermead.